Today we're going to be looking at finding the center of enlargement. So first of all, I've got two triangles. I'm just going to label them as well. So if that was A, B, C, this triangle, this vertex would be that one over there. Can you see? So that's A dash. B is this same one there, and C is that same one there. So I've put a little dash to say that that is the second part. That's the projection. So imagine you had a torch. It was over here somewhere, and you were shining on this one, and then it was going onto the wall over here. So we don't actually have a torch. We are going to use some lines. So you would use your ruler to do this. So I'm going to start at A. You don't have to. A dash, and I'm going to go all through A exactly as as I can. And I'm just going to extend it. I think my thing will just, there you go. Hopefully that's long enough. Now it's moved. It does need to be exactly through the corner, the vertex. Okay. Then I'm going to use a different color. You don't have to use a different color. I'm just using a different color because I want to. That's not a line. Let's grab a line. So I'm right on the vertex. I'm going to go right through that vertex over there. I'm going to keep going, making sure it's actually going through the corner. Vertex. And then I'll get another line because I've got a third. It's always good to have three so that you can check that you haven't made a mistake. So now I'm going to go from C. I'm going to go through that C. I'm going all wobbly. I'm going to bring it over here and I'm just going to draw it down. There you go. So I can see that my center of enlargement is from there. It's almost like there's a torch over here. I'll just mark that. My center of enlargement. So that is how we find the center of enlargement. So you're going to draw all the projections back to where they started from. Now the second, so our center of enlargement, center is spelled with a C, is here. And what is my scale factor? So how much have I made ABC bigger? Well, we can just do that in the usual way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gone from 4 to 8. So what do I have to times 4 by to give me 8? It's a scale factor of 2. Now you're going to be using rulers, which I do not have on this that I can see. What you could do is you could measure from your center of enlargement to B, and then from your center, so this distance and this distance, and when you divide them you will find the scale factor as well. So that is another way of finding your scale factor. Hope that all makes sense. See you next time.